What is your experience? Which was easier to manage?
Let me complete. You don't have this habit. I am sorry to tell you and remind you, you are interviewing the former president.
Yes.
Please have the necessary courtesy.
Yes, sir.
Don't interrupt. I am sorry to tell
absolutely.
I am not eager to appear on the screen.
Sir.
You have invited me. Firstly, you cannot raise your voice.
My apologies.
I am answering.
भोगते बहुत है, लेकिन असलियत के जो विरोधी तो कहते हैं कि राज ठाकरे हमें टारगेट करते हैं और मीडिया में बहुत प्रोफाइल है, लेकिन असलियत उनकी कुछ अलग है।
एक मिनट भोंकता हूं। एक मिनट, अभी तुम्हारा भोंकना बंद हो गया?
हाँ बोलिए। 2009 के चुनाव में आपके कैंडिडेट्स, कई कैंडिडेट्स थे जिनको 1 लाख से ज्यादा वोट्स मिले, जिसकी वजह से शिवसेना को हार भुगतनी पड़ी।
पहली बात, राजदीप, ये इंटरव्यू है, इंट्रोगेशन नहीं है। पीछे बैठ के मेरे साथ बात करो।
चलिए मैं पीछे बैठता हूँ।
और इंटरव्यू है, इंटरव्यू में आवाज नहीं ऊपर होती।
चलिए।
President Obama, it's wonderful to be able to meet you here. My name is Nidhi Razdan. I work with a TV channel called NDTV. I've covered your meetings with Prime Minister Modi, with Dr. Manmohan Singh as a reporter, and so it's nice to be here to just listen. My question.
You're a journalist.
Yeah.
Oh, you shouldn't. No, you don't get a chance to ask a question. Oh, hold on. No, sit down. No. I mean, look, you seem like a wonderful journalist.
Why don't you hear the question first?
And you seem very professional.
You can hear the question first and then decide if you want to answer.
No.
You might like the question.
Because the goal here was to have these young people, you should report on all the wonderful young people.
I'm doing that too.
Okay, come on. Give them a chance. Come on, you're in front of a microphone all the time. No. Sit down.
Why don't you hear the question first?
No, I'm sorry. No. Come on. Good try.
Podium number 2. Manav, do we have? Yes. Yes, please go ahead quickly.
Sir, in recent news, you left Times Now, or you resigned Times Now, and Barkha Dutt too resigned from her channel. So do you think we can expect a collaboration sometime soon?
Where are you, my friend?
Here.
Left hand side behind.
Sir, I can assure you, from the bottom of my heart, there's no... Sir, India wants to know.
What does the nation want to know? So I do journalism. I don't know what she does. So I'll do my journalism, she can do what she does. Thank you.
Truth must be told. I was to speak against the motion. Barkha Dutt manipulated this panel and made me speak for.
You're just sulking because you didn't get to open the debate.
See, this is the problem. The Barkha Dutts, not Barkha, but normal people from the media fraternity have created this nonsense about truth, post-truth. We are in the land.
Hello, you're for the motion.
Listen, are you part of the debate? You're just the moderator.
Addressed me.
Relax.
Say, I'm in a post-truth moderation.
We are from the land of Gandhi, Mahatma, not Rahul. We always believe in the truth. We examine things based on truth. I completely agree with Anne. I completely agree with Prasun. I will agree with Barkha when she makes sense. This whole truth, post-truth, it's a bit of the media's invention. It's like intolerance, ghar wapsi. I believe.
इस देश को चाहिए एक जागरूक जनता जो अपने सरकार को जवाबदेह बनाए। भक्त नहीं चाहिए जो हिंदू मुस्लिम तमाशे पर या फिर राम मंदिर में सराबोर होकर असली मुद्दों से अपना ध्यान पीछे हटा ले। हमें एक जागरूक देश चाहिए और इसका नुकसान किसी और को नहीं, देश की जनता को होगा, जो इस वक्त हो सकता है धर्म और राष्ट्रवाद का धतूरा चाटे हुए बेहोश हो, मगर जिस दिन आपकी आंखें खुलेंगी तब तक बहुत देर हो चुकी होगी।
देखिए, पहली बात तो आप याद रखिए, 70 सालों से ये जो जिहाद और नकली सेक्युलरिज्म का धतूरा चाट करके हिंदुस्तान के अधिकांश लोग बेहोश पड़े हुए थे, अब 2014 से इस धतूरे को चाटने की जो बेहोशी थी उस बेहोशी से बाहर आ रहे हैं। मैं बार बार इस शब्द का इस्तेमाल करूंगा कि जो नकली सेक्युलरिज्म का धतूरा चाट के, क्योंकि आपको याद होगा जिस महिला को आप बीच में दिखा रहे हैं जिसका नाम हीर खान है और जिस प्रकार की टिप्पणियां इसने हिंदू देवी देवताओं के लिए की है वो इतनी भद्दी है कि आप दिखा भी नहीं सकते हैं और मैं सुन भी नहीं सकता हूं। उसके लिए 3 पत्रकार बहुत महान थे, उन 3 पत्रकारों का नाम नहीं लूंगा और उनमें से एक पत्रकार रोज कहता है, मैं उसी के नाम पे कह रहा हूं, ये सेक्युलरिज्म का धतूरा, नकली सेक्युलरिज्म का धतूरा चाटा हुआ था। धीरे धीरे हम उस बेहोशी से
ये अभी तो हमें और जलील होना है।
Discussed for the last 3 years, and which in many ways may be responsible.
What had you asked all
for the
your
electoral
questions?
adversity.
Have you got anything more to ask?
I've come very close to the end of this interview. I have only one last question. Are you confident that you can see your electoral low point over with, and that you will win in 2006?
Wait and see. I told you already I don't believe in astrology. I can't predict what will happen in the next elections, but you will be around, I suppose. Wait and see what happens.
But is that a yes, you will win?
I said wait and see.
Chief Minister, a pleasure talking to you on Hard Talk India.
I must say it wasn't a pleasure talking to you. Namaste.
I'm sorry that you say that, but